इधर रुक करेंगे असम के गुवाहाटी का, जहां के मुख्य चुनाव आयुक्त इस वक्त एक प्रेस वार्ता को संबोधित कर रहे हैं।
Another complaint raised before us was that in certain parts of the state, elector photo I cards are being taken away by some people, particularly from Manrega laborers. Some parties have also emphasized that there is a need to check abuse of money, particularly black money, and enforcement agencies should keep good vigil at points such as rail, road and airports. And they also drew our attention that gifts are being distributed in tea garden areas in particular. They also demanded that large number of companies of central police forces will be in Assam, have arrived in Assam. Some of them I will share the more details about it, and they should be very effectively deployed for protection of voters. They have also demanded that there should be level playing field and all political parties should be able to undertake political activities and campaign activities without any coercion from any side. They also wanted streamlining of permission system for public rallies, meetings, and uniform application of grant of permission system to all political parties. One thing they have also demanded that since there will be a gap between polling day and the final counting day, they have demanded that there should be display of CCTV on a board so that political parties can also watch it where they are camping. So the commission has taken note of all their concerns and suggestions, and we have assured them that this upcoming election will be very free and fair, and all of their suggestions will be taken into consideration. They have also assured us
that they must undertake the fresh review and fresh assessment of vulnerable locations. Vulnerable locations are the locations where people from weaker section, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes live, and that will be the focus of the election commission, or any other area where voters generally feel intimidated or feel threatened. CPF has arrived in the state from 15th March. More CPF companies will arrive in next few days, and they are being deployed for area domination, particularly these vulnerable locations. Large number of vulnerable locations have been identified, and these central police forces will visit all these vulnerable locations to boost the confidence of these weaker section of the society. One good thing about the state authorities is that all the election related offences of the year 2011 and 2014 have been investigated and filed before the courts. There has been good deposition of licensed arms. More than 23,000 licensed arms out of 32,000 licensed arms have been deposited. More than 500 licensed arms have been impounded, and rest will be deposited very soon. And another area of work is also noteworthy, that there were 44,000 non-bailable warrants pending when the commission visited in December 2015, and now only 4,500 non-bailable warrants are pending as of today, and again directions have been issued that they must be liquidated. So this was another good area of work. More than 5 lakh liters of illicit liquor has been seized by authorities. DMs and SPs have been directed that police station wise list of antisocial elements, criminals must be prepared and all of them must be subjected to preventive action. There would be continuous vigil on international borders in particular. We have made DM and SPs personally responsible that no voter is intimidated or threatened. There are certain areas which have communal sensitivities. Again, directions have been given to our authorities that under all conditions, social harmony and communal harmony has to be maintained as we go towards election.
तो अगले महीने असम में होने वाले विधानसभा चुनाव में क्या कुछ तैयारियां की गई हैं चुनाव आयोग की तरफ से, इस बात का जिक्र करते हुए मुख्य चुनाव आयुक्त डॉक्टर नसीम जैदी और अगले महीने 126 सीटों के लिए जो चुनाव होने वाले हैं 2 चरणों में 4 अप्रैल को और 11 अप्रैल को, इसके लिए क्या कुछ तैयारियां की गई हैं, इस बात का जिक्र कर रहे थे मुख्य चुनाव आयुक्त डॉक्टर नसीम जैदी। और अब